Good morning, it's Tuesday, October the 23rd, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. Just came back from the Toronto Resource Investment Conference, which took place this Sunday and Monday, and we had over 200 junior resource companies there. So if you were in Toronto and came to the resource conference, I'm sure you had a great time, and a special thanks to those investors from AGORACOM that came by to the booth to say hi. Today I've got three great press releases for you. We're going to start with the first one, PDG Environmental, which trades on the over-the-counter bulletin board under the symbol PDGE. They were recently awarded a reconstruction contract worth $12.3 million. Now what this is, they reconstruct commercial and multi-unit residential units throughout the United States, which include Illinois, Nevada, Texas, and Mississippi. The chairman had stated there's an increased demand for reconstruction services, so they see demand continuing to increase. The company was last at 90 cents, and they're off their 52-week high of 122. Now, PDG Environmental is a leading provider of environmental remediation and specialty contracting services. Press release number 2 I have is Torch River Resources, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol TCR. Now, disclosure time, Torch River is an AGORACOM client, but we think they have great potential, so this is one you should definitely take a look at. They provided assay results on their last 3 holes at Redbird, and some of them were pretty impressive. They intersected 112 meters of 0.067 moly and 0.058 copper, and within that they had a strike length of 20 meters, which included 0.12% moly, my apologies, and 0.048% copper. In one of their other holes they had 180 meters of 0.065 moly and 0.062 copper. And within that, there were 52 meters of 0.085 moly and 0.08 copper. Now, previous to this, they had done a 43-101, which had indicated 61 million pounds and inferred 90 million pounds of moly, so that's pretty significant. Torch River is engaged in the exploration of moly, rhenium, and copper in British Columbia. They're last at 33 cents, and they're off their 52-week high of 91 cents. Final one I have for you today is actually a good one. Absolut Resources, Absolut like the vodka, no E at the end of it, trades on a TSX Venture under the symbol ABS. Now, Absolut had cut 59.5 meters of 2.52 grams per ton of gold. Very significant one to take a look at. Their property is in Pico Mache, Peru. The company previously announced that they had an independent preliminary mineral resource estimate which indicated an inferred in situ resource of 580,000 ounces of gold. So again, very significant. They're last at 102 off their 52-week high of 113. And that's it for AGORACOM TV today. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. We'll see you back here tomorrow.